Just got home from the first Costco trip of 2026 and I'm tired. Let's take a look at the haul, and I just want you to know there's processed food in here and I don't want to hear about it. I don't care. Okay. So, this is what we got. These were on sale for $17.59. Pack of chicken breasts. I got these are a great weeknight meal. The slow braised pot roast. There's a 2-pack in here and gravy, super easy peasy. We got a box of the yakitori chicken, so yummy. The sous vide egg bites. This time I went for the bacon and cheese. I think it's because I'm on heavy dose of prednisone and my 3rd round of antibiotics for this chest infection, but usually I go for the egg whites and peppers. So we're switching it up. These got me on a try me. Okay, these are and also I went to the Bears Lake location in Halifax, Nova Scotia. They're 90 calories, 3.5 grams of sugar, gluten, peanut, dairy free, chocolate chip oat bites. Super excited. They're delicious. The min pork egg rolls and a box of stir-fried veggies. Hold on, I gotta get the trolley. We're back. We got a bag of Ruffles. Again, I don't want to hear it, okay? Processed food. Leave it up. A box of these greens. Haven Greens Fresh Crisps. Pesticide free from Ontario. I've had these before, they're really good. I got a package of Liquid IV. Now, I wanted to get the Zero Nutrition ones, but they don't have enough salt. I have low salt, and I need one that has more salt in it. So I went with Liquid IV. I got these are just deadly. I'm sorry, I had to have them. It was the prednisone. The steroids were like, you need a treat. Okay. What else do we got in here? Dried mango. Super excited. This is at Costco. I love this cereal. So this is Farm Girl. This is made in Canada. It is a Canadian product, women owned, sugar free, 13 grams of protein. This tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and it is so good. I have it with vanilla almond milk and blueberries, and it is delicious. Thank you, Costco. Speaking of blueberries, we've got blueberries and bananas. And I got the stuffed peppers for supper tonight. I love these. It's, honestly, I couldn't make them for $22, so here we are. And I love this chicken soup, okay? This was on sale. I believe it was $13.99 for 6 packages. It tastes homemade. Like, it's really good. The bone broth is good. It's got big chunks of chicken in it. It's Canadian made, Canada. We love this stuff. I would recommend not using the microwavable soup bowl. It does make a mess. And then I got they had this back, the Chosen Foods avocado mayonnaise, my favorite. So I picked that up. And these Havarti cheese snacks, great for on the go. I live alone, so I find that when it comes to cheese, if I open it, it can go bad. So that's individually packaged, which saves waste. I have a 24-pack of individual orange juice in there because I have to take it with my iron. And then you can't leave Costco without a rotisserie chicken. So that is our haul for the first trip, the first one. So yeah, this is what I got. It was about $313 and I don't regret any of it. Okay, Happy New Year and have a great day.